We have to show you this bracelet making kit that we received so we could give you a review. We have had so much fun playing with it and was honestly blown away by how many options are inside. It is so much fun to open, explore, and play with. It comes with a little instruction booklet that teaches you how to tie on different accessories if you'd like, and I was absolutely impressed with the variety of colors and beads, little baubles, accessories, and the tools that you would need to be able to assemble it with. It comes with clear string and white string. Both have stretchy so that it's great for you to be able to assemble and get it on and off your wrist, whether or not you want to use the clasps. I decided to design a beautiful bracelet that has my kids' initials on it, and I love that there was so many other things aside from the colors that you can choose from in terms of hearts and beads, the letters for your kids' names, or to spell out a word in multiple different variations. We actually ended up having a party and we made these bracelets together because it was so fantastic. Having 25,000 pieces inside means that there is going to be so many options to go around for so many different styles and what you're looking for. All the way down from the age of 3 and up, we had little girls being able to assemble these bracelets all on their own. So this is fantastic for so many ages. This would definitely make a great gift. And I was really impressed with the whole organization of all of the colors and the quality of the kit in and of itself. This was so much fun to be able to play with. And it's something that we will be able to use time and time again because of how many things are packed inside of this kit. I would definitely recommend checking this out.